we have a opportunity when we're not in what we'll call a gravity-bound body. And astronauts talk about this a lot. You know, an overview effect. When we send our astronauts to the International Space Station and they leave planet Earth and they are 250 miles beyond the planet Earth, their ability to be able to perceive, looking back at Earth, a unity, a oneness, what many of them will purport is a multi-sensory, multi-dimensional understanding. And I bring in the word understanding because sometimes we have to, again, move beyond ourselves to see ourselves. You've heard me say that before. And most definitely, when we are talking about perception, we have to be willing to recognize perception, as Eric explained, has to catch up with us. That's how the brain, again, was designed. But when we leave Earth, okay, and that is an interesting component, something in the brain releases, something outside of gravity, and I would say something within the particle-wave relationship of our actual function, anatomy. Every cell starts to orient or reorient itself in a different way, so it's communicating in a different way, and so on and so on. Can we do that through and with the intelligence of energy, light, and information? And that doesn't require us to go to a visit to the International Space Station, or even to float in what we'll call an anti-gravity environment, maybe one of the flotation tanks, in order to actually alter what we are able to perceive, or how we are able to perceive ourselves and others.
And there's an awareness that comes about. You speak to people who have experienced that. They look down at Earth, and suddenly the concept of us all becoming one becomes very real. Now, why am I repeating that point that Jillian made? Because I want to tie it into something that just came to me now.
Right.
Which is, maybe it's our inability to view from that perspective while we're here that contributes to a lot of the ways we experience prejudice. Maybe we don't see the unity and the oneness in us, that we are all one.
Yes.
And that allows us to feel fear, and fear responds in a way from hatred, prejudice, separation.